Query is a very fantastic feature of Google Sheets. By using query, you'll be able to filter the particular column or the values from the given Google Sheet. In addition, I'm going to demonstrate the additional feature of Google Sheets along with query. I will include operators, logical operators, to filter different columns for different conditions, and after that I'll use sort function on that query. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet, and this sheet contains the records of students of my class. Here there are the column numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So there are total 20 columns. Every column has a title. I am going to filter all those records, all those columns rather, which contains a student's name, gender, stream, and the category, whether they belong to OR category, they belong to JSU category. So how to apply the query? Just have a look on this. I have created a new sheet for this, and the column names I have already mentioned. Now from the second row I'll apply the query. Equal, then query, this shows I need data and the SQL query and the headers, and I'll not include headers here, so the value of headers will be 0 only. Okay. As you know, the resource should always be enclosed in braces, so I have started the brace and going to the resource. See, this is the resource. I have to select the complete sheet of my class. So here I am going to select the complete sheet. Since I have to avoid headers, so I am taking the sheet from second row, and my sheet is selected, and I have to put braces here, and after that I'll have to embed SQL query. The query should be in double quotes. Select. So how many columns were there? Column number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I want column number 5. Then gender, that is on column number 7. Then column number 12, the category, and column number 19, the stream. So these are the columns I have to filter from this sheet, and now apply the condition. So I have to put where column 12 is equal to OR, and they should be in uniform. With this, I want to apply one more category, that is JCO. So, whether OR or JCO. So, I will have to put OR here, column 12 is equal to JCO, and they should be in uniform. And I am putting this entire condition in the parenthesis, and stream, that is column number 19, which is PCM CS. Means I want to filter all those students who opted PCM CS stream and whether they are OR or JCO, and this way my condition is over. And now header. So, since I am not taking any header, so I will put 0 here. So, this way the query will filter all those columns, that is name, gender, category and stream, for those who are either OR category or JCO category. Now, bus press enter. So, see here, this is column name, this is column gender, this is column stream, and this is column category. Sorry, a category and streams are interchanged. So, what I am going to do here, I will just change the value, that is category, and this is a stream. And one more thing which I told you, that I will apply sort function here. So, I am going to sort this filtered record like this, and after, so this is data and query is over, then comma, so this is the filtered record, okay. And now I have to sort this data, maybe in ascending or descending order. So, here I have to mention column on which you want the sheet to be sorted. So, I have taken column number 1, that is the name, and which order, ascending or descending. So, if you are going to sort this in ascending order, put 1, and if you are going to sort this list in descending order, put 0 here. And close the parenthesis, and press enter key. So, now this is in descending order. So, if you want this in ascending order, you will have to change this zero to 1, and now this sheet will appear in ascending order. See here, the first column is in ascending order. So, this way we can apply the query along with the sort function. So, this is a combination of these two functions which we have applied on Google Sheet.